Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and today I'm really excited to show you the TERRO Cobweb Eliminator. At TERRO, we focus on spiders as one of the insects that we really want to help homeowners control. Spiders, like every other insect, they need three things: food, water, and harborage. The Cobweb Eliminator is going to eliminate harborage, which, when you think about it, is going to eliminate their ability to form a web and trap food. So we're really getting two: food and harborage. All right, we're in my patio. I've had a problem last season with a lot of spiders. So I've got out the first spider control tool I have, and the most important one, my broom. I'm in these areas. Spring's coming on. The spiders are going to start looking for a place to come in and spin webs and put up their food source and their harborage. So once I take down the ones that are there, I simply go and apply this material. It puts a surface coating on and virtually eliminates a spider's ability to fix their webs. I'll keep an eye on it every 60 days. If I need to apply it, if I see any webs that are developing, I'll sweep them off again and apply some more. But TERRO Cobweb Eliminator is one of the tools that it takes to keep your house spider-free.